All right, it is that time of the year that most of us do not look forward to. The deadline for filing income taxes for many Americans is just around the corner.
And joining us with some tips to handle the stressful crunch is financial professional Tim Dern with the Manna Financial Group. Tim, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Great. It's that time of year again. Here we go.
It sure is. I know the early birds have already gotten it done, but some folks still just have a couple weeks to go. What's your advice for them as we face this deadline?
Well, in the crunch time here, I'd say get organized. Get all your W-2s together, 1099s, all your paperwork, sometimes getting everything together. So when you're going to do it online, most people are filing online today. Just make sure you have everything together. That's one of the first things we tell everybody. Make sure you have all that income and whatever you're going to use for deductions, get that paperwork together.
Tim, the standard deduction is now $13,850 for single filers, $27,700 for married filing jointly. That is up $1,800 for joint filers. I'm always curious these days, do you see a lot of people itemizing, or most people go the standard deduction route?
Yeah, most people are doing the standard deduction. I mean, that's pretty strong. We haven't seen deductions like that. So most of the time I would see people are using that standard deduction. But, then there's other people, and it's not for everybody, that itemizes, and you kind of have to run the numbers. But sometimes I see people that have a small business or, some other reasons that they would do their itemizing. So that's one of the, when you're talking about your write-offs, standard deductions is one of them. You can look at these energy tax credits. There's a lot of that going on right now. If you have an electric car, if you've made some home improvements to your home, these are things that are going to help reduce the overall tax bill. Maybe you can contribute to a health savings account. You're contributing to an IRA. These are all things that can reduce that adjustable gross income down. Those are all good, smart moves that you can do at this time of year as well.
Let's talk refunds. What is your advice on the most financially sound thing to do with any refund you get back?
Well, I see this a lot too, and today we've got people that are carrying a lot of debt. So, if people are getting a refund, the first thing we look at is there any way you can pay down some of the debt, especially if it's credit cards or things of that nature. Now, maybe some people just want to go enjoy some time with, dinner or a night out or spend some of that money. That's great. But if you're looking for investments or different things, there's a lot of great things today. Fixed income opportunities are very strong out there right now. We're seeing some good rates. The stock market has been performing well this year. So if you're going to invest in things of that nature, there's a lot of things out there. There's all kinds of annuities that have guaranteed rates. They're at an all-time high. So, a lot of options you can do with your refunds. What I always tell people is when you get the money, take a look at your debt first, and then maybe it's retirement or savings or investments. Those are the things that we have people looking at.
Oh, very good stuff. Unfortunately, we're out of time. We could talk about this for hours on end, but Tim Dern from Manna Financial, we thank you so much. You be well.
Thank you.